Welcome, Tenement Yard peeps. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, you know what to do. Click the like button and support your girl. Subscribe, press up the subscribe button because we have some things we need to talk about pertaining to Boss Head funeral. By the way, I want to say condolences to his family. It's a hard time. Genuinely losing a relative, a friend. Trust me, it's not a better rose. So my condolences. But let's get into it because Nicki Minaj and Busted brother has been going at it back and forth on TikTok. And I just wonder like why is I don't want to say everyone, but a lot of people been dragging Nicki Minaj, saying that she's too enough for she had over Jamaica and TikTok. She for go over back a foreign and go worry about her rapist man, and she need to worry about her sister, a bag of things. So some people are saying Nicki promised some money, to contribute to 41 Bussed's funeral. However, apparently the family never got any money. And instead, Nicki Minaj a par with Blam Dem. And y'all know Blam Dem is a Jamaican TikToker. And the rumor is Blam Dem was saying some derogative things about 41 Bust Head, rejoicing that he was unalived. And that was the rumor. However, 41 Busted brother Gotti took to social media. And when I say social media, he used TikTok platform, his account, and he was basically venting that Nicki Minaj dissed him. I say, him look happy after him brother passed and a bag of things. So Gotti is like, you're no more than nobody, because you're artist and you have your bag of money and send people gift. So Gotti basically I say, apparently Nicki's allegedly sacrificing people on the app. She gave Britney gift and Britney a walk with bicycle and it even punch her. Nicki gift Naya, and he too was unalived, and she was really engaged with 41 Busted. She really loved him on TikTok, and unfortunately he was unalived as well. So Gatia said this woman I give money to the TikTokers and them a laugh and them a rejoice and them a enjoy it, but not all money is good money. So Gotti is just basically upset because Nicki Minaj love 41 Busted, but Nicki a par with Blam Dem, who spoke ill of 41 Busted when he was alive. So Gotti said, but you're not a real woman, You're basically par with 41 Busted enemy. How you feel do that? He's an op. He never liked my brother, so why you par with him? And then I come and send condolences as if you're a good person. And then you come and style me, say, oh, me happy, and me look, like a weight come off of my shoulder that my brother did. Like I say, oh, me never rate my brother or me never like my brother. So Gotti was just venting his feelings and never like say, Nicki, I be fake. He was like, you need to go back over America. You're like, your money can't frighten me. You sacrifice off the people. And this is my opinion now, right? Why is Nicki Minaj over Jamaican TikTok? I love Nicki Minaj. I'm a barb. I am a barb. I don't know which Jamaican female isn't a barb. I'm a barb. But let me tell y'all why I think Nicki is over Jamaican TikTok. Wanna really listen, wanna really listen. Cause listen, I'm not a professional. You understand? But I investigate things. I really sit down and really read into things. Let me tell y'all why. On better subscribe and like the video, Listen. Look how me I go on a free mix up. Hey. But let's continue. The reason why I think Nicki is over Jamaican TikTok is because, for one, she loves her culture, and two, it's all about marketing. It's all about marketing. There's a stigma out there in entertainment, in the music industry rather. When a certain artist reach a certain age, 41, look at Maca Diamond, them say she old, she a granny, she go sit down. Nobody don't want to listen to Maca Diamond. Some people still respect Maca, right? But the majority is saying that she's too old and she needs to go and sit down, have several seats. But Nicki Minaj, she's trying to rebrand herself. It's as if, yeah, she's a legend out there, but she have to start over. She have to come with a new chapter. You know, the young Nicki, the young sounds that Nicki had before, it has come to an end. So she's trying to rebrand herself because of the stigma. So she's branching out. She realized that right now, Jamaican industry as it regards to entertainment is hot. So she's using this opportunity to rebrand herself. So she's engaging. And I realized it as all of this happen. Everybody talk about Nicki Minaj over Jamaican TikTok. Can't you guys realize? And then she's now putting out a song with Trinidad Skrilla, whatever I'm want name, the same time under one breath, because she's a marketing genius. This is what she does. And I'm not saying she's wrong, right? I think she's very smart, but I don't think Nicki is sacrificing anybody. To be very honest, I don't think Nicki has control over anyone's actions. She's not sacrificing anybody, please. Britney has been dramatic way before Nicki started to engage with Jamaican TikTokers. So let's not go there. Gotti has every right to vent. He's a person. Everyone is a human being. But let's not go there. Nicki's not sacrificing anything. Let's not blame Nicki for other people's actions. So that no make no sense right there. So it no make no sense. Nicki is just marketing herself. She's rebranding. And why do it in Jamaica? Because as much as people think Jamaica is just somewhat not big, but the culture is big. The entertainment industry is big. The island is very small, but we the people, we make entertainment big. It's juicy. Yeah. Some people just look upon Jamaica as, oh, it's a little speck of island. No. Jamaica's entertainment industry is very astounding and it's very marketable. So Nicki Minaj realized say, you know, she get like attention, right? So she's making a pack. She's trying to make a statement. She's trying to market herself. And is that a bad thing? No, that's what an artist does. And it's so sad that people, well, us Jamaicans were saying, oh, Nicki, if you move angwe, Nicki, if you move angwe. No, she's actually giving Jamaican TikTokers a platform as well. Because now the Barbs, her fan base, they're trying to get familiar with some of the person's Jamaican TikTokers. So I don't think it's a bad thing, because look at Rosalie. Though, you know, some people violated her the other day, and that was very sad, genuinely, because I'll never laugh at another woman. I will never laugh at another woman's pain. I will not even laugh at another man's pain. I will never laugh at a woman or a man's pain. We're all human beings, and guess what? Anything can happen to we. So, look at Rosalie. Nicki came and Nicki really gave her flowers to say, you know, where you go bounce back from this. Will them give ya, will them TikTok give ya, and everybody start vex, everybody start cuss. I don't think people should be possessed or obsessed that, oh, Nicki get other people gifts and we not get none. I think Jamaica is this. Jamaica is a beautiful island with some beautiful people, but the other side, some we don't beautiful. Because we for clap for other people, you know, we for happy for other people. Even though we're not with time yet, we get full flowers and the accomplishments and the achievements, them clap for other people, no? There's a lot of fight and hold down and bring down, and it's just really toxic. It's toxic. Everybody can make it. Everybody can make it. I don't like that people are dragging Nicki. Oh, she too enough, she too mixed up. But they're not seeing the positivity from it. She is actually giving people on the app a platform to be familiar with. Some of us were not smart. We're just too ignorant, and that's the truth. But anyway, again, my condolences. And other persons, well, other TikTokers, they're somewhat outraged that other TikTokers who were friends with 41 Bus said did not attend this funeral, and that, oh, them people are fake. I don't even know what to say about that, because at the end of the day, people do what they want, and that is it. That is it. But big up to Nicki Minaj. I think she's an amazing human being. She's very positive. And for all those who's misinterpreting Nicki's actions, y'all need to really sit down and have several seats as well. But mama know wagwan. Make me know wagwan. And big up to Pretty Dan. I cannot believe up to this day the situation that Pretty Dan is in. I pray that she overcome this obstacle. She's a human being as well. So let's not bring down or bully anybody. But the reason why I'm laughing is because, when you hear Pretty Dan name, you have to laugh because the videos that she would have made, she's a comedian to me. She really bring the vibes. So big up to her, big up to Nicki, big up to everybody. Big up to all the Jamaican TikTokers. On a really I bring the entertainment industry. Like on a really I go on with themselves. Just stop with the animosity. Like it's not good. It's not good. The toxicity is what's ruining Jamaica right now. But big up on yourself. Let me know want to think in the comment section. Like this video, subscribe. And yeah. See y'all another time.